everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to remove Google or Gmail account. Actually sometimes we add lot of Gmail accounts on our Google account, but in later we need to remove them permanently from our phone and not delete them. We just want to remove them. So I will show you two easiest way to do this. If the first technique will not work for you, then try the second one. Firstly, what you have to do is just open your Gmail application and tap on this profile icon, and then you can see here manage accounts on this device. So tap on this manage account on this device. You will see all accounts you added on Gmail app. I want to remove the first one account, so I will tap on first one, and in the bottom you can just simply see the remove account. So just click on remove account, and if I click on remove account option, so this email will be deleted permanently from my phone. So I'm not going to do this because I don't want to delete. So this is the first way. And the secondly, what you have to do is you need to go to your phone settings option. In the settings you have to search Google account. You can see the first option, delete your Google account. If you tap on this, whole accounts of your Gmail app will be shown here. Whatever account you want to delete, just tap on the account like this one. You have to enter your password. After entering your password, this screen will be shown. So you have to scroll down. If you tap on this delete account, so this account will be permanently deleted from your phone. So that's how you can remove your Google account from your phone. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.